guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a BH Cosmetics kind of like a mini haul just because they did have a sale a couple days ago and they still actually have a sale where I think some things are not, or everything is 40% off. I've never had something from BH Cosmetics before, so I really wanted to give them a try and just try out a couple of things that caught my attention. The two that I got were makeup sponges, and these are the Studio Pro makeup sponges. So these are the two makeup sponges that I got. Obviously this one looks like a beauty blender, but it's purple, and this one just looks like this. Now this one is the perfecting sponge and this one is the beauty sponge. They do have a total of 3 sponges on their website, but the other one was like weird. It was like this, it was like a triangle type of thing, and I was just not gonna use that. With this sale, I think I got both of them for $4, so they were $2 each, and I thought that was super cheap. So I was like, and they have pretty good reviews on there, so I was like, if these are already super cheap and inexpensive, they're on sale, and if I love them, like, that's pretty cool. Next, I did go ahead and get 2 lip liners just because I feel like I lost all my lip liners, or I don't really like my lip liners anymore. So I got 2 of them, and these apparently are waterproof. We'll test it out today. We'll see what's up. Basically, packaging just says it like that, and then on the side you can see the actual type of color. So I think that's pretty cool. So I got the color Nude, which looks like a purpley maroon color, and then I got the color Stripped, which looks like a light pink nude. This is what they look like. They actually look really different compared to the packaging, but that's fine. So this is the color Nude, which actually looks more of a nude. These are actually very creamy. And then this is the color Stripped. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. I think it melted from the heat. Like, everything just melted. Anywho, that's the color Stripped. This is the color Nude. Ooh, if you kind of rub them out a little bit, it does seem to it does come off, but it doesn't go away completely, and they do feel kind of like, not sticky, but like they stay in place. Next, I am so sad I only got 1 of these because I should have gotten more, but if I do like the formula, then I'll go ahead and order more of them. But this is the Eyelights Waterproof Eye Color. The packaging is super duper cute. It's just all gold. This is what I got. So this is actually super tiny. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger, but it's basically like a shimmery eyeshadow, but this color, ooh, this is pretty. Do you guys see this? That is so gorgeous. It seems to be a little streaky, but I'll have to go ahead and see. That is gorgeous. And then I also did end up getting the BH Cosmetics little makeup brush holder thing. It's just all marble, and it feels like a faux leather type of feeling. And it has the rose gold BH Cosmetics here. So I thought that was super cute because I am obsessed with anything marble. So this was definitely, I just needed to get it. I also ended up getting like a brush set, and it came with this little pouch, which is white, and then the rose gold labeling here, as well as all of this. This is super cute. This actually fits quite a good amount of stuff, and I'm pretty sure it fits quite a good amount of brushes here, so it can be like my to-go bag. But this is super cute. So it came with 5 face brushes. As you can see, these are all of them, and then it came with 7 kind of like eye brushes or like lip brushes, stuff like that. So first brush that we got was the number 2 brush, and this one just looks like a stippling brush. Just so pretty. It's all white. It just says number 2 BH Cosmetics and then rose gold, and these are super duper soft. So I'm really liking the packaging and just everything about the brushes. Then this is the number 1. This one just looks like a powder brush. Number 3 brush looks like this. This one looks more for like blush to me, or maybe maybe blush. It's just an angled type of brush. And then the number 4 brush. I don't really like thick, dense highlighting brushes because I feel like it just gets all of this. And I don't know, I'd rather have this for like wiping off my baking powder and all that stuff. And then the number 5 brush, it just looks like this. And this one reminds me of the Morphe E8 brush. Like this one's a lot shorter, it's just a different size, but it's kind of the same thing. We have the number 6 brush, which just looks like a regular type of crease blending brush. The number 7 brush looks like an angled shader brush. The number 8 looks like a regular shader brush. The number 9, I think I'm going to use this like concealer. This looks like a good concealer brush. Number 10 brush is like a pencil smudger brush, something that you would just fit underneath the waterline. Number 11 brush is an angled brush. I feel like I could use this for eyeliner or even for my brows to be super precise. I like how small this is. This is super nice. And then finally, the number 12 brush is an eyeliner brush, and it's just like that. So you can be super precise and thin with your eyeliner. So those are all of the brushes, and of course it came with the little pouch, which is super cute. The last item that I got was this BH Studio Pro Shade and Define 10 color contour palette. This looked kind of like weird on their website, so I wanted to go ahead and try it out to see if it's pigmented or not. It has 10 different shades. Obviously these are like highlighting shades, and these are more contour bronzy shades. Back from wetting both of my sponges, and both of them did grow a lot in size. The Perfecting sponge does feel a lot more like squishy and softer than this one. This one still feels a little bit hard. I'm going to go ahead and start off with this one, which is the Perfecting sponge, and I'm going to do this on my left side. So this is what the Perfecting sponge looks like. I think it honestly distributed my foundation really evenly because it is so soft and like squishy. It's super duper soft on my face, and I feel like for how soft it is, I feel like it wouldn't have done anything and it would have just taken the coverage away. But I think it did a pretty good job at evening my skin tone. So not bad, not mad at it. Compared to what my Real Techniques one kind of looks like, this one absorbs a lot of foundation, I've noticed, and this one didn't really absorb anything at all. Like this is just like tiny, and because it's black, I thought this was going to be like full on tan foundation on here sticking on there like crazy, but it's not. Now we're going to go ahead and try the Beauty sponge, and this one's so dense, I'm scared. One also did a pretty good job at evening my skin, and it didn't take any coverage away, I don't think. However, this one does absorb a little bit more foundation because it is so dense. Like I said, it feels like I'm dabbing a dry beauty blender, but it feels moist, if that makes sense. So you can see there's a lot of foundation on there, and then the Perfecting sponge, I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. I feel like this one soaked up a lot of foundation, and this one, sure, it's dirty, but it is black, and you would expect it to be like, you would expect it to be like deep in there, but it's just like the top layer. This is my favorite concealer besides the Drugstore Fit Me by Maybelline, but they're like the same price. I love this sponge. This one I'm not that big of a fan of. The only good thing about it is how pointy it is. It's just super easy to get underneath your eyes. But because it does soak up a lot of product, I feel like it just didn't, I don't know. Can you guys tell the difference? I feel like this side looks more fuller and brighter and concealed, and this one just looks like concealed, but it's not as much like brightness in my eye. it's super easy to hold because it's not like a little egg where you have to like combine all your fingers all together and then just stab it. You actually have these little ridges to hold the little sponge, and then you just work on it. Do you guys hear that? Feels like I'm bouncing a basketball on my forehead. No. I'm gonna go ahead and be contouring, highlighting, and bronzing with this palette right here. I'm gonna be taking this one, and it looks pretty pigmented, shit. All right, and we're just gonna be carving out my cheekbones. Okay, there is a lot of powder that goes flying out when you're blending. I don't know about this color. Let's do the second one. Let's see how, okay, do you guys see this? There's so much powder flying everywhere. I mean, I guess that color's a little better. And take this yellow powder and see. Oh my god, this is so annoying. That's okay, that looks so bad. This is giving me allergies. I actually really did like the brushes. I didn't have any complaints with them. They are super duper soft. I do love the white little handle and the rose gold thing, and I just think they look very, very pleasing. Makeup brush holder, super duper amazing. I already love it. No complaints. These lip liners, I never knew how creamy these were. You definitely need to go ahead and try them out if you're looking for new lippies. These are also very inexpensive. For the eyelights, eyeshadow thingy-mabob, this one's in the color, I didn't even tell you what color this was. This one's in the color Chill Pill. It looks very, very gorgeous. I'm not going to lie. But it does kind of feel weird on my eyelids. It feels like I can't move my eyelids. Like I feel like they're super stiff. And it also is burning a little bit. I don't know why. I've never tried on any like liquid or cream eyeshadows, so maybe that is why. But it is burning a little bit. Just beware if you're thinking about buying this. Buy one and then try it out on a small portion of your eye. Don't do what I did because I didn't think this was gonna happen. It's not burning a lot, but it does kind of like tingle. For the sponges, I don't recommend the beauty sponge, which is this one that looks like the beauty blender. It is super duper like hard. Even after you dampen it, it feels like you're playing basketball outside. So I don't know, I just don't like this one at all. But I do really recommend this one for the price, you guys. Last product was this BH Cosmetics Shade and Define 10 color contour palette. These are just very, very powdery. There's so much kickback in here, like it's crazy. Even when you're applying it, it's just flying everywhere, so I do not like that. If that is something that you truly want to avoid and you truly hate, I don't recommend this product at all because you're gonna hate me and you're gonna hate this. You're gonna hate everything about it. However, I mean, these colors up here, I don't even know if I'm gonna use them. I mean, I can only use this one for underneath my eyes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I really hope you guys all have a blessed day. Bye, guys.